Hello guys, yesterday I showed you how I created a background test in Python using tick data of the MetaTrader 5 real account. And today I wanna try to create the visual tester. So in this case I need to see how the tester running and show us visualization as MetaTrader 5 doing. And I want to see my positions, the profit of the positions, equity, balance, everything like that. So I used previously coded files, and I'm gonna show you what I will do. Here, what we do, we just wanna how many days we wanna grab the tick data of the. This is the tick data, for example, of the 1 day. It's about 24 megabytes. This is 1 day, but I need 4 or 3 days. Let's delete this file. We don't need this file for now. And here, export tick, we will use more days. Like there was 1, but I modify from 1 to 3. I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna save it, and I'm gonna launch this. This export tick, we created sh. Now we will launch this. It say we load this. Now it's ready. I just want to see how much here is tick data weight of the 42 megabytes. As you can see, it was 24, now 42. Okay, it's ready. So now, the file of the tick data is ready in CSV, XR USD ticks. Now we're gonna launch the backtest visual Python. We're gonna launch this backtest visual Python, and we will see the charts that running in localhost in browser. By the way, this is my little trading platform that show us in browser localhost. Now we wait, it's loading. Also we have some speed regulation. This is higher speed, this is lower speed. It shows us how much in seconds delay between ticks. So if you make it higher, we will see less delay between ticks. They must move faster. The test must move faster, like this. We see the same candle builds at the history without shadow, but once we run this, we will see correct building of the shadows and everything like that, which I showed you yesterday in this trading localhost platform based on Python connection to MetaTrader 5. And what the most important, this is real tick data. This is not M1, this is not any time frame. This is just we loaded a lot of history that available in MT5 using Python, and we can run Renko bars based on real ticks. That's the concept of this. That was my target. So I'm gonna show you this. We see it's exactly tell us when the position open. The change of the profit of this positions change. As you can see, equity also change, balance change. The margin I will code it later. Right now I missed this stuff, no problem. The free margin works, and margin level also not calculate. We need to add some calculation, that's not a problem. The profit also change, but it's not changed directly as equity. Equity show us, and that's fine. That's enough for this.